Hello everyone. I'm now doing a unboxing for a product called Personal Aircon. Personal Aircon. Hello, Personal Aircon. What is Personal Aircon? Okay, Personal Aircon by this Silent Cicada. Right, it's a product which very unique. It will help us to actually feel cool. Right, Singapore so hot, right? Okay, I'm just unboxing. Just to show you. Wow, sorry, something I need to cut off. Unboxing in process. Okay. Yep. Okay, this is the box. Okay, Silent Cicada. All right. So what is this unique? It is a product which able to cool us down. Okay, let me see how to just pull this thing out. Okay. Yes, something unique. Yep. Okay. You see that? Okay. Oh, this product. We're able to put this thing in here, right? And it's supposed to be chargeable. Okay, with a chargeable cable. This equipment. Oh, not bad, huh? It's like a watch, okay, where I can actually put it in. Okay. Okay. You can wear it in. Yeah. It's supposed to put on the waist. Okay. It can be activated. Yep. So that you feel cool. Yeah. So it's activated already. You can see that. So personal aircon, especially when you do exercise, right? Exercise, it will help us to cool our pulse, right? So that you feel cooler. If our wrist, the pulse feel cool, you should be able to cool down your body. So instead of having the fan externally, right, just wear this thing and you should be able to, you know, keep our body cool. Yeah. It's a nice product. Personal aircon by Silent Cicada. Right? I love it.